Hi students, let's look at this question here, which was taken from Raffles Institution, RI, PnC tutorial question 1. Okay, let's see how we can do this proficiently. So we are given that 9 colored balls are arranged in a row. Find the number of ways which this can be done if all the balls are of different colors. So I think in this case here, the first one shouldn't be an issue. The number of ways is just 9 factorial because we have 9 distinct balls, right? Here we have 3, 6, 2, 8, 8, 0. Okay, great. So let's look at the second one. There are 4 red balls, 3 green balls, and 2 yellow balls. These are identical balls, right? So in this case here, if they are identical, you just need to make sure that they are not, that you need to divide by 4 factorial, 3 factorial, and 2 factorial. Okay, because their arrangement must be sort of like cancel out, nullified, right? So it's 9 factorial over 4 factorial, 4 red identical balls, and 3 identical green balls. Although the question did not say, this is 2 identical balls. So this case here would be 1, 2, 6, 0. Okay, I think the interesting one is part 3. So part 3 now, there are 4 red balls, 3 green balls, 2 yellow, and the arrangement is symmetrical. Okay, let's see how we can do this, okay? Now, if it's symmetrical, you have 9. So essentially you have 3 green, and then 2 yellow, and 4 red, right? If it's symmetrical, meaning to say, if you put an R here, it has to be an R here. Okay, so if you put, say for example, yellow here, okay, that there will be a yellow here. If yellow here, this will be yellow here. So a symmetrical outcome will be where, let's say for example, if you put a green here, this will be a green. Okay, then because you have a red, okay, red and red. So we try to understand the question first. Now the first thing to note is that actually this has to be a green ball, this guy in the middle, okay, and it's fixed. Now you don't need to choose, you can't, if something is predestined, right, you don't need to choose it, okay? So that's usually the case. So just understand this, if this is smack in the, down in the middle, this ball has to be a green ball because green is the only odd number, odd balls here, okay? Odd number balls here. So after which, what is left is actually to distribute 4 red, okay? And then 2 green, and 2 yellow. Now, take note, because it has to be symmetrical, 4 red, 2 green, and 2 yellow, right? So meaning to say, what we need to do is to distribute 2 red here. There will be 2 red here, and 1 green, okay? So there will be 2 red here, and 1 green. Then you have 1 yellow, and 1 yellow over here, okay? So essentially, you need to split into half. Now, this is the tricky part. Essentially, let's say if I were to arrange the one on the left hand side here. So let's say I put a red, a yellow, green, and red. Okay. You may think that you need to arrange the one on the right. Actually, it's not, because what you need to understand is actually every ball here is predestined. So you don't need to arrange the right side, because you will eventually put, if this is RYGR, then this will be RYGR here. Okay. You don't need to arrange the one on the right hand side, okay, because it will be mapped. It's all, you only need to arrange one side. That's all you need to do. Okay, so that's a trick to this question here. So the number of ways that you need is, you only need to arrange one side. So that will be 4 factorial divided by 2 factorial, because you have 2 identical red balls. So the answer will be 12. Okay, 12 ways. So that's how you do this question here proficiently. If you have any questions, please do let us know.